Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a debit note. Debit notes are used for returned goods and discounts. How to create a new debit note for returned goods. For returned goods, head to Debit Note under the Purchase tab. Click on New Debit Note. Select the purchase and click on Search button. Now click on the Edit icon and edit the quantity. Now to save the debit note, click on Save. Your debit note is now created. How to create a new debit note for discount. For discounts, head to Debit Note under the Purchase tab and click on New Debit Note. Select New Discount. Enter the necessary details, including date, vendor name, reason, discount, and GST rate. Click on Save Changes. To print the discount, click on Print. How to edit a debit note. Go to Debit Note and choose the debit note that you want to edit. Click on Edit icon. Edit the required details. Now to save the debit note, click on Save. How to print a debit note. Now to print a debit note, go to Debit Note and choose the debit note that you want to print. Click on Print icon. Choose your printer and click on Print. How to cancel a debit note. Now to cancel the debit note, go to Debit Note and choose the debit note that you want to cancel. Click on Cancel icon. And you are done. Thank you for watching.